Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. The Australian share market is likely to open lower this morning, and that's just ahead of the Reserve Bank of Australia's monetary policy meeting, where a 50 basis point interest rate hike is expected. The Australian Central Bank will release its statement by 2:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time today, and we'll bring you all the latest on that as soon as we get it. Now, the domestic market may also track weak cues from Wall Street, which began the trading week on a muted note. However, ASX mining shares may limit losses with strong commodity prices during the day. The latest SPI futures indicate that the ASX 200 would open 19 points lower, that's 0.3% lower. Yesterday, the benchmark index finished 0.7% higher at 6,993 points. Looking to some important business news from this morning now, and Ramsay Healthcare has given notice to terminate the hospital purchaser provider agreement between itself and health insurer Bupa. Ramsay says the parties have been unable to reach a resolution on key elements of a new contract. Bupa insured patients will then be required to pay an upfront payment on admission, the difference between the statutory default benefit Bupa is required to pay and Ramsay's hospital treatment charges. Ramsay and Bupa are continuing to negotiate to reach an agreement regarding a new HPPA. And Ventia has been awarded a New Zealand road maintenance contract by Auckland Transport for the Auckland West region. The 5-year contract has a 5-year extension option and will start on the 1st of September. It's expected to generate a base contracted value of 220 million New Zealand dollars over the initial term. Ventia will provide reactive routine and program maintenance and renewal activities across the network, which spans both urban and rural geographies. And biotech CSL has now received all necessary regulatory clearances for the acquisition of Vifor Pharma. This will occur on the 9th of August this year. CSL anticipates it will hold more than 97% of Vifor shares upon completion. CSL will also apply for the delisting of Vifor shares on the Swiss exchange. Now, planning for the integration of Vifor is well advanced. And CSL also advises Hervé Guizero has been appointed to lead the Vifor business as general manager upon completion of the acquisition. He'll report to CSL's Chief Operating Officer, Dr. Paul McKenzie. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
sectoral coverage or industry news.
We cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
with Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Well, now we're going to take a look across at global markets, and in the US, the Dow Jones declined 0.14%, the S&P 500 dipped 0.28%, and the Nasdaq ended 0.18% lower. European stocks fell after muted data from the Eurozone and China triggered concerns of economic contraction. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 0.04%, the FTSE dipped 0.1%, the CAC dropped 0.2%, and the DAX declined 0.03%. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the world advanced 0.06%. And emerging market shares shed 0.06%. Now, oil prices fell yesterday, and that was on concerns over weak factory data in China. Traders also awaited upcoming meeting between OPEC and other oil producers. WTI crude fell 4.73% to settle at $93.89 a barrel. Brent crude ended at $100.03 a barrel. That was down 3.94% on the day. Gold prices rose yesterday after the US dollar softened. Spot gold advanced 0.4% to $1,771 an ounce. That's all for the ASX at Breakfast here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. We'll bring you the RBA decision at 2:30. This is Rachel signing off for now.